Okay, so welcome back to Ratchet and Clank, episode 13. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Okay, can we do it? Holy shit, we can.
Had to go boom on Molonov. One could even say it destroyed itself. Oh, bubbles! If anyone wanted to save moi, now would be.
Intruders! You can't stop the swift arm of justice, you...
Leave that little robot and her! Protégé!
I'm not hurt.
Okay.
I'm rescuing you?
Not that I'm complaining, but...
Fuckers, man.
Why?
We need your help
Calm
to
the
speak
fuck
to Captain
down.
Quantum. He's in grave.
Okay, whatever!
Pirates flying in. On it. Thanks, pal.
Okay. Come on. What the fuck are you doing here? Let's go. Fuckers! Get the fuck out. Holy shit, what do we got here? Come on. Okay. Wow.
Merci! Merci!
Okay,
now
we
swing
did
me
it.
out of the dock and get me away from this beast! Normally I would not have enemies, but you did save my life, and I am Pierre Lefebvre, gentleman extraordinaire! If you want an audience with Captain Quantum, you must complete the pirate trials.
What are those?
A tradition as old as gold. And how all pirates earn their colors. Head to Skull Mountain. If you complete the trials there, you will find the captain.
Feeling more precise than spray and pray? Get the headhunter for stellar shooting. Upgrades ready. Are you?
We got another weapon.
They're gonna do for you.
That is not
Okay.
the way to Skull Mountain. He's a pirate.
Take it. Pretty good, man. Okay.
Stop them before they reach the
Fucking pirates again, man. Destroy them. You fucker. Come on. Come on. Nice. Okay. Fuck you. And you. Let's go. The fuck are they doing here? Fucking disco.
Can't wait till I make Mason. Ye might have stopped our execution, but you will never steal. Man, that booty must be pretty spectacular if there are this many
Fuckers,
pirates
come
guarding
on.
it.
Okay. Come on. Nice. Okay. Come on, man. Did we do it?
I'm not seeing any booty here.
Perhaps there is something we are missing.
Okay, let's go. What do we got now?
How did they get past the... Protect the booty!
Come on, die. Fucker. Yeah, fucking strong, man. Yeah, so strong. Fucker, get big slice, bitch.
Ha! Now that booty chest is all ours. A map-o-matic? Sweet. Hey, there's a teleporter.
Okay. What should I do now?
What about you?
Ah, please. I think I can handle myself from here.
Come on.
The air is quite
Nice.
fishy. I am not sure I...
Okay.
Me neither. But he's our best shot at
fuckers,
finding
come
something
on.
quantum. We just need to get through these trials. Hold on. Is grog made out of...
I think this Speedle might appreciate getting out of here.
This guy's got a boost?
Come
There
on.
aren't any brakes, are there? So you've ridden one of these Speedles before, right, Clank?
If one can call hanging on for dear life, riding.
Guess
Come
he
on.
remembers us.
And
Holy
is
shit.
following us?
Yeah. Something's not right about all this.
Welcome to the pirate trials! Now who will be swashbuckling with us today?
What?
Ahoy there! What? Your trial awaits!
The pirate trials are A theme park?
Cool.
No. Square button. Holy shit, let's go. No.
Think your pipes are
Okay.
ready for a chef day shuffle
Okay.
and shanty?
Oh no.
Aye, that be the spirit. Listen to our shanty carefully and shoot the pirates in order to sing it back.
Me hearties, sing shanties.
Listen to our shanty carefully and shoot the pirates in order to sing it back.
Me hearties, sing shanties.
This one, this one.
Me hearties, sing shanties.
Fine work indeed! Now the little matey!
Pardon?
I hope your memory be sharp!
Girls,
This one. That one.
Respectable positions of power!
Of girls in respectable positions of power.
We did it.
Music to the ears! Now everyone! Aye, that be the spirit! Who
linger by
the shore?
Okay. It was a this one or this one? No, that one.
Aye, that be the spirit!
Okay.
Who
Give me again.
by
That one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay, I got it.
Linger by the
Nice.
Bravo! Ye have passed the first trial with flying colors! Now press on to the second.
I thought that went rather well.
Yeah. Guess we should do that more
Let's
often.
go.
Oh, So you think yourself a pirate, eh? Think again, for now ye face your greatest trial yet. The terror of Boku Boku Bay. The destroyer of Moon 34B. The inspiration behind every midnight tale, every shape in the shadows, and all that be unholy in our fair galaxy. The one, the only, Snoojax!
It's just a Grunthor.
Was a Grunthor.
Oh yeah, I forgot to
Okay, let's
mention
go.
our second trial be temporarily out of order. You can just keep going,
Okay, now the glitch.
or not. Whatever.
Looks like that
Let's go for
Grunthor
that.
feeder is out of order.
Think you can help us get that gold bolt glitch?
Just take it nice and steady. And this computer will be fixed up for Ratchet in no time. As long as I don't let those viruses trap me again.
We got a first one. Let's go. Okay. Nice. Let's go next. What's next? Nothing here. Come on. Destroy him.
If the viruses are evolving even more, am I really good enough to stop them? What if I screw up again? Or make things worse? What am I thinking? I have to do something! If I don't, who will? Ratchet just thinks this is your average computer virus.
Come on, let's go.
If the viruses are as smart as I think they are, these last few pods won't go down without a fight.
Okay, where's another one? Holy shit, so many of them here. Come on. Here. Okay, we got it, man.
All clear.
That's very nice to hear, Glitch.
You?
We didn't want to interrupt. But don't worry.
Holy shit.
Next time, we shall talk face to face.
I am looking forward to it.
Shit.
You, Glitch.
Nice. What's next? Here.
Ye survived
Okay.
the Screwjacks! Impressive! But let us see if ye have what it takes to conquer the final trial. And so, Captain! What? Set sail in search of the fabled booty! But little did he know his ship was being flanked! Behind ye, swashbuckler! Fine work! But danger still lurks beneath these waters. Pirates on all sides! Hold fast, little buccaneer!
Come on.
With the pirates out of the way, the intrepid... What? Spies land ahead. Could this be it? Of course it
Fuck, man.
is!
Okay.
But the treasure be protected
A boss
by
fight, let's
Island's
go.
fearsome guardian. Oh,
Fucker, don't jump like a man or a girl. You fucker. Okay, now what is? No way. Give me that. fucker, die! Come on! Die, you fucker! Okay, what now? This one. Let's send here a help. Okay, now this one. Let's go! And he is dead.
Hard fought and hard won. And now the treasure crank be finally free. But wait! Surprise Puffoid attack!
Okay. No! What the fuck are you doing?
Let it be known that on this day, against all odds and opposition, Captain... What? Became a pirate, proud and true!
Whoa, not bad at all.
Ye survived? I mean, huzzah! The captain is just
Finally! Looks like Pierre was telling the truth after all.
Let us see what is up ahead first.
What the fuck, man? Let's go! Let's fucking go!
Uh-oh.
Perhaps that means congratulations in Kraken.
That doesn't make it any better!
Okay. I think that's it. Let's end this episode here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!